Hello everyone, I'm Masood from Masood's Virtual Studio. In this step, we want to auto-drawing walls from the WG file. First, we select model and select the WG file in Revit and connect to select model to CAD point curves from CAD layers. We insert a string. This is name of layer and connect to layer name. We modify layer name and run it again. Yes, all of the line inserted. Now we use flatten and connect curve to flatten. And then we select wall type and we choose generic wall type and then select wall by curve and then select and insert levels and we insert boolean and connect list flatten to curves and connect wall type to wall type and levels to level and boolean to is structural and height to height. As you can see, when run this Dynamo code, all wall created.